So multiple choice question. Hello everyone, myself Mantasha Hasan, and today we are gonna discuss about the nomenclature of organic compounds. We have the guidelines for the nomenclature. We have IUPAC system of nomenclature of organic compounds. What we are gonna discuss in this video. We have writing the structural formula from the IUPAC name of a compound. Then we have nomenclature of aromatic compounds. Then we have nomenclature of polyfunctional aromatic compounds. Then nomenclature of alicyclic compounds and IUPAC names of organic compounds represented by bond line notation, that is BL in short form. Now Mantasha, what is the full form of IUPAC? So the full form of IUPAC is, as you all know, International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. But what is different or unique over here? The different thing over here is that, for example, my nickname is Kashish, but as you all know, my official name is Mantasha Hasan. So my official name is worldwide accepted, but the common name or tribal name is known only to the family members. It is not widely accepted. For example, I go in office and I say that my name is this, so nobody would accept that my name is this. So I have to assign a particular number, a particular name to that institution or to my name, so that it should be known to each and everyone whenever someone says my name. So this is only about tribal or common names. Then we have IUPAC names. IUPAC names are internationally and widely accepted worldwide. So these are the contents which we are going to discuss, and these are very conceptual. If you miss any one portion or any 1 second of any 1 minute of the video, then you are able to lost such important messages from and such important notes or such important things from this chapter. So please listen very carefully, be very attentive, and I hope that all sincere students are watching here, and I hope you all will like it. So let's start with the nomenclature of organic compounds. Basically, introduction. Now this book, everyone was asking about which books do you use for your preparation or for teaching, as I am a teacher as well. So for the preparation I use this book, which I could tell you, that is Companion Chemistry, and this Companion Chemistry is written by S.K. Malhotra. So we are starting with this book. If you want, then you can purchase it from the Amazon link online or from your nearby stores as well, stationery stores. Now next, what are the nomenclature of organic compounds? We have such guidelines over here. We are going to discuss about it. Then we have tribal or common system. Then we have IUPAC system. IUPAC system is International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. Tribal system are the common names. For example, ethyl alcohol and का फॉर्मूला होता है दैट इज C2H5OH. ठीक है, दिस इज दी इंटरनेशनली अप्लाइड, बट समवेयर कॉमन नेम्स आर ऑल्सो यूटिलाइज. मतलब कॉमन नेम्स को भी लोग क्या करते हैं, यूज़ करते हैं, एज इट इज़ रिटन ओवर हेयर, है ना. सिमिलरली फॉर्मिक एसिड को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, फ्रॉम द रेड एंड फॉर्मिकस एंड्स, एंड मिथाइल अल्कोहल को हम किससे बोलते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज वुड स्पिरिट. तो आपको ये कॉमन नेम्स याद होनी चाहिए. आई अंडरलाइन देम फॉर यू गाइज, बट दीज आर, आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट लिस्ट ऑन द कॉमन नेम्स बिकॉज दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मिथाइल अल्कोहल इज कॉल्ड वुड स्पिरिट. देन वी हैव, आप सब ने एंड देखिए, रेड एंड जैसे ही वो बाइट करती है, व्हेन इट स्टिंग्स, देन व्हाट हैपेंस दैट इट लीड अ रेड स्पॉट एंड सम काइंड ऑफ इरिटेशन इज गोइंग ऑन योर माइंड. So basically, when we are talking about this, we have to talk about such things which are really very important from the exam point of view, which the common names or the names which are really very important for these purposes, we will talk about that. So formicus, red formicus, that is formic ant, which causes a bite. Next, the names of the organic compounds were called tribal or common names. However, the system became irrelevant when the organic compounds in general had one common source, that is laboratory. So these were all available in the laboratory. So these the usage of these terms has been limited or has been stopped. Next, we have IUPAC system. IUPAC system is International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry, which is worldwide accepted, as I have already told you before. Now, although the IUPAC, now this is very important and it is marked as well, and it is really important. Although the IUPAC system of nomenclature is definitely better than the common or tribal system, the first few members in each family are better known by the tribal or common names. For example, I will give you a very easiest example. For example, your nickname is something else. For example, my nickname is Kashish. So everyone knows that my name is Kashish. So these are accepted because it's easy to pronounce, it is easy to remember. So everyone says me by, or my friends will also call me by that name. But my official name is Mantasha Hasan, so nobody will recognize that as well. So what you have to do, you have to assign, both names are important in chemistry as well. Common names, which are also known as tribal names, are also important, and IUPAC system is also important. Actually, these names have become so popular that it is not easy to discard them. Very, very important line is written over here. For example, the IUPAC name of the compound C2H2 is ethine, but it is generally called acetylene, which is a common or a trivial name. Similarly, ethanol is the IUPAC name for the organic compound C2H5OH, but ethyl alcohol is also commonly used. It is a very popular name, and in questions it is not necessary that they will write ethanol. They could say about ethyl alcohol when ethyl alcohol reacts with. So ethyl alcohol is ethanol, that is C2H5OH. Keeping this in mind, the IUPAC as well as the common names of the members of different homologous series in case of aliphatic organic compounds are given side by side. Now the main important, these were all theoretical, whatever I told you. Now the major important thing came, that is how to write the name, that is IUPAC system of nomenclature of organic compounds. According to the IUPAC system, the naming of an organic compounds consists of three words. First we have the word root, then we have suffix, and then we have prefix. Word root क्या denote करता है? Number of carbon atoms. Next we have suffix. Suffix, as you all know, it's an English word which says suffix, which is added before to the word root, and prefix, which is added after the word root. Okay, so we have suffix, word root, and prefix. Suffix, word root, prefix. So you have to remember these. First suffix, then word root, then prefix, or we can alter it as well on the basis of the questions. Now this is very important, and it is a very long video it's gonna become. So please first of all message me. I have the complete notes and very concise and very important notes from your NEET exam point of view, as well as from your boards, because I have also given boards and I have secured very good percentage in that as well. So if you want my concise notes, it's my self-written notes which I have written, and it's majority of the questions comes from that notes as well. So you can DM me and I'll send you my Telegram link. So please, if you have your own Telegram link, then you can also send me that as well, because a PDF, I'll send you the PDF or at least the single consecutive pages of this chapter. Thank you so much. And if you want the complete YouTube lecture of this class 11 chapter, that is IUPAC, which is very important, that you simply message me, and I'll explain it in the next video if you are eagerly waiting for that. Thank you so much everyone for listening. I'll be back with another video in a short span of time. Till then, bye bye.